we have a somewhat asymmetric recognition of our news. The expected positive and negative news are actually treated differently. In terms of gains, so positive events, even if they are probable, we're still not going to recognize them in anticipation. We're going to wait until they actually occur. And only then, when the underlying event happens, it's going to be recognized on the financial statements. However, that's not how we think about losses. So losses, and by loss, we mean an expected asset outflow. Typically, we're talking about an expected cash outflow, but it could mean other assets as well. Losses are going to be recognized not when they actually happened, but when they become probable. Now, we don't actually have a specific definition of probability. There's definitely discretion in terms of what a reasonable person interprets to be probable. For now, we're going to leave that aside and just say that we come to the determination that the loss is probable and we can estimate the amount of the loss. That's when we record it without waiting for it to actually happen. So the general category that I'm going to call this are loss accruals. I'm going to think of it as a bucket of bad news. In other words, if I know that something is going to impact my firm in the future, I am going to bite the bullet. I'm going to recognize the bad news today. I'm going to impact my financial statements. I'm going to fill this bucket. I'm going to fill this loss accrual.